Welcome to your IsiXhosa Lessons with Kolping Mbumba. Hello everybody. Welcome back to it, your IsiXhosa Lessons. Namhlanje iqhalo lethu is Ulunya Lubiza Olunye. Say it with me. Ulunya Lubiza Olunye. Ulunya is a flexible Xhosa dark energy that destroys relationships, marriages, friendships, businesses, and general Xhosa partnerships. In its flexibility, Ulunya may manifest itself as jealousy, envy, sudden disgust, or general dislike yabanye nenkqubela yabo espacini nje. Ulunya, whether applied excessively okanye lufafazwe nje kancinci, is very dangerous and tends to reproduce, recreate, and manifest a more sinister and devious version of the previous Ulunya it precedes. Ulunya germinates, Ulunya procreates, Ulunya evolves, and Ulunya becomes better and deadlier every time. Ulunya luyalwisa, luyaxabanisa, luyabulalisa, luyonyanyisa, lenza amalokonya enyoka lunyikinyiki unye kuba unolunya nantsika qha. Ulunya lubiza olunye. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Ndiyakuxelela yini.